Forgotten username recovery failed on Landbay Fix. If you're struggling to recover your username on Landbay and every attempt keeps failing, here's the surprising truth: Landbay don't actually rely on usernames anymore. Like most digital financial platforms, your login credentials are now tied directly to your registered email address. Here's how to fix the issue step by step. Go to Landbay's official login page. Instead of searching for a username recovery option, click on Forgot Password or Can't Log In. Enter your registered email address, and Landbay will send you a secure link to reset your password or regain access. Check your inbox for that message, and if it's not there, look in your spam or junk folders. Still no luck? Try another email address. Many users accidentally use their work or secondary accounts when creating their Landbay profiles. You can also search your emails for Landbay to find previous communication, such as loan updates or account confirmations, which can help identify the correct address. If you no longer have access to that email, contact Landbay's customer support through their official site. Provide identifying information such as your full name, the email you believe was used, or details from your investment or mortgage account. After verifying your identity, their team can help restore your access securely. Most people get this wrong because they expect to retrieve a traditional username, but Landbay's system is designed to keep things simple and secure using your email. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed, don't panic. Use your registered email to reset your password, and you'll be back in your Landbay account reviewing your property investments or mortgage details in no time.